Qase and Asana work together to make quality assurance and project management smoother by directly linking Asana tasks in test cases and test runs, creating a new Asana task through a defect in a test run, and syncing statuses of a defect to an Asana task. To connect Asana in Qase, first, go to Apps from the top bar menu and click the Asana card. In the pop-up, click the Install Now button. If you're not yet logged into Asana, you'll be asked to fill in your credentials. Once you're logged in, grant permission to Qase to access your Asana data. Click Allow, and to finalize installation, click Authorize on the next step. Once that's done, you should see the Installed indicator inside of your Asana card, and when you click the card, you will have the option to clear the app cache or uninstall Asana from Qase. Now let's go through the different actions you can do. First, linking an Asana task to a Qase test case. Go into one of your project repositories and select a test case to open it in the right sidebar. Next to the General tab, select Properties and scroll down to look for the Asana section. Another way is to expand the sidebar so you can see the test case details next to the properties. Under the Asana section, click the Link Asana Issues button to open the pop-up. If you don't have the Asana task link copied yet, you can go to your Asana workspace, select the task and click Copy Task Link. You can then go back to Qase and paste the Asana task's URL into the box and click Link. Now that the Asana task is linked, the task title should appear below the Link Asana Issues button. To unlink the Asana task, click the X icon next to the task's title. Now, linking an Asana task with a Qase test run. Navigate to Test Runs and go to the test run you wish to link with an Asana task. In the right-hand section, go to the bottom and find the Select an Integration button. Click it and choose Asana App. Similarly to how a test case is linked, paste the Asana task link in the box and click Link. To unlink the Asana task, click the trash icon next to the task's title. Next, creating an Asana task through Qase. Take note, you can only do this when filing a defect inside a test run. When in a test run, select a test case and mark the result as failed, blocked, invalid, or any other custom result status of a failure type. This will show a pop-up with a checkbox at the bottom to create or attach an existing defect. Either option will have the Choose Integration drop-down where you can select Asana to be used. You can fill out the details of your Asana task: the task title, Asana workspace, team, and project. Hit Create when ready. Once created, you can go into your defects section from the left sidebar and go to the defect you've attached or created, and you will now see the newly created Asana issue linked to this defect. Statuses of a Qase defect and a connected Asana task are synchronized. So as soon as you mark the Asana task completed, the Qase defect will be marked resolved and vice versa. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.